Imagine this. Two simple spices sitting quietly in your kitchen right now could help reduce chronic joint pain in ways that rival some over-the-counter pain medications. No prescription, no expensive treatments, and far fewer side effects. Millions of people suffer daily from joint pain, arthritis, stiffness, inflammation. But modern research is revealing something fascinating. When turmeric and black pepper are used together, they create one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory combinations known today. And in this video, you will learn why this combination works, the science behind it, the exact ratio you should use, and the best ways to take it daily. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use these two simple spices to support healthier joints naturally. To understand the remedy, we first need to understand the problem. Most chronic joint pain has one common root cause: inflammation. When your body senses stress or damage in a joint, your immune system releases inflammatory signals. These signals activate chemicals called cytokines and enzymes such as COX-2. Interestingly, this is the same enzyme targeted by common painkillers like ibuprofen. In the short term, inflammation helps healing, but when inflammation becomes chronic, it slowly damages cartilage, irritates nerves, and reduces joint mobility. Over time, that leads to stiffness, swelling, and pain. So the real question becomes, how can we calm inflammation naturally at the cellular level? This is where turmeric enters the picture. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years, in Ayurveda, in Chinese medicine, and in many healing traditions. But modern science eventually discovered the secret. The key compound inside turmeric is called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory molecule. It works through several biological pathways. First, it blocks NF-kappa B, a master switch that activates inflammation in the body. Second, it suppresses inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 and LOX. Third, it acts as a strong antioxidant, protecting joint tissues from damage. And some studies even suggest curcumin may help protect cartilage itself. In several clinical trials, curcumin has been compared with ibuprofen for knee osteoarthritis pain. The results? Very similar pain relief, but with significantly fewer digestive side effects. Sounds amazing, right? But there is one major problem. Your body struggles to absorb curcumin. Here's the surprising truth. If you take turmeric alone, most of its curcumin passes through your body without being absorbed. Your liver quickly breaks it down and eliminates it. That means very little reaches your bloodstream. This is why many people try turmeric and feel no real effect. But nature already provided the solution: black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Piperine dramatically increases curcumin absorption. It works by slowing a metabolic process that normally destroys curcumin too quickly. A famous study published in Planta Medica found something remarkable. Adding just a small amount of piperine increased curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Yes, 2,000%. That is why turmeric and black pepper should always be used together, not separately. Now let's talk about the correct ratio. Research suggests the most effective combination is approximately 20 parts curcumin to 1 part piperine. But how does that translate into real kitchen measurements? If you were using whole spices, take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. This provides a basic daily anti-inflammatory dose. If you prefer supplements, clinical studies often use 500 to 1,500 milligrams of curcumin per day, combined with 5 to 20 milligrams of piperine. Also remember something very important. Curcumin is fat-soluble. That means it absorbs much better when consumed with healthy fats, for example, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, or fatty fish. Here are some easy ways to include turmeric and black pepper in your daily routine. Golden milk. This traditional drink is simple and powerful. Mix 1 cup of milk or coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and optional honey. Warm gently and drink before bedtime. Blend together turmeric, black pepper, coconut milk, mango or pineapple, chia seeds, and fresh ginger. This combination provides antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. You can also prepare a turmeric paste in advance. Mix turmeric with water and heat gently. Then add black pepper and coconut oil. Store the paste in the refrigerator. Take about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon daily. If you want a stronger therapeutic dose, look for supplements containing 95% curcuminoids, piperine, and always take them with meals. Let's look at what the research actually shows. A clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging found curcumin worked as effectively as ibuprofen for knee osteoarthritis pain. Another analysis published in the Journal of Medicinal Food reviewed multiple clinical trials. Researchers concluded that curcumin significantly reduced pain and inflammation markers in arthritis patients. Studies also show curcumin can lower C-reactive protein, a key marker of chronic inflammation. However, scientists are still researching optimal long-term dosages, and different curcumin supplements can vary in quality, so consistency and product quality matter. Turmeric and black pepper are generally very safe, but there are a few situations where caution is needed. Consult your doctor if you take blood-thinning medications, have gallbladder disease, are pregnant, or take diabetes medications. Also remember that piperine can increase absorption of certain drugs. At normal dietary amounts, turmeric is safe for most people, but always start with small doses. For the best results, combine turmeric with a healthy lifestyle. Support your joints with omega-3 fatty acids, ginger, boswellia extract, a low-sugar whole food diet, regular gentle exercise, and good sleep. Supplements alone cannot replace healthy habits, but together they can make a powerful difference. Let's summarize. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory compound. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Used together consistently with healthy fats, they may help support healthier joints naturally. The simple daily formula: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper with healthy fat, 500 to 1,500 milligrams of curcumin with piperine. Try it consistently for 8 weeks to see meaningful results. Your joints will thank you. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who struggles with joint pain and subscribe for more science-based natural health insights. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.